guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So to create this Sarah Sanderson makeup look, I first just prepped my skin and I cleansed it and moisturised, and I will leave all the products I've used down in the description below. I then added a foundation to my skin and I went into this one that is a super pale colour. It's much lighter than my skin, and also I have a bit of a summer tan because she's quite pale, so I just went into that and I covered my face and neck area with it. I added a really light concealer under my eyes, on my chin, along the bridge of my nose and forehead as like a highlighter, and I blended that in, and then I added a translucent powder all over my face. I really concentrated the eyeshadow on the inner corner of her eye because I'll pop up a picture of her. Her eyeshadow and eyebrows kind of blend in together, so I just like blended in this like kind of grey, purpley brown eyeshadow up into the eyebrow, and then I also put it into the crease of my eye and coming out from the outer edge of my eye as well, and I just kind of did like a smoky brown colour. I added quite a heavy black pencil liner to the bottom of my eye, and I also put a bit on my top lash line as well, and I blended that out a bit with an eyeshadow brush. I added a mascara to my eyelashes, and then I also, using a really dark brown eyebrow pencil, I penciled in my eyebrows and just kind of copied the shape of hers, and then I also added a black winged liner across my eyelid. Using a really cool toned contour powder, I just contoured my nose a tiny bit, and then I went in and just carved out the cheekbones a little bit, and I put it around my forehead as well. I then went into this beautiful highlighter palette and I just added some highlighter along the cheekbones just to get that kind of witchy glow. I chose this Lipstick Queen liquid lipstick out of all my lipsticks because I just kind of felt this was the colour that was the most right, and I'd describe it as like a dark berry kind of wine colour. It's so nice, and I put that on. I just painted a black dot on her chin where she's got this like black witch's mole. I then started to paint in her outfit. So obviously if you're going to a party and you're dressing up as her and you're just wearing the costume, then you can turn off the tutorial now or skip to the end. But if you're interested to see how I painted in her body, I went into a pale pink paint and I kind of painted in this bodice corset thing, and her arms kind of look a bit netty, so I went into this dark reddy colour and I started to paint the net on the arms, and then I went into a red eyeshadow just to shade in where the kind of sheer material is. Using this yellow shade from the same Mayron palette, I then painted in the kind of string on the corset, and I also went into a brown eyeshadow and I just started to shade around the edges to make it look a bit 3D. My roots were so big because of coronavirus, no hairdressers, and I didn't have a wig the right colour, so I decided to just dry shampoo my roots to make them look blonde. I don't know if it looks that great, but I did that, and then I just curled all of my hair because in some of the scenes she's got curly hair. And this is the finished look. So this is Sarah Sanderson of the Sanderson sisters from the movie Hocus Pocus. It's such a good film. I honestly recommend you check it out. It's brilliant, and it's Sarah Jessica Parker that plays this character. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye.